Hi, my name is Arthur, and in this Enterprise Android Pro Tips, we're going to be talking about how to set up your ADB on your Mac without using Android Studios. Let's get to it. ADB, also known as Android Debug Bridge, is a great tool for Android developers and power users as well, as it allows you to communicate your Android devices from your computer. Now, I'm going to show you two different ways that you can install ADB onto your Mac. First up is using Homebrew. Homebrew is a package manager for your Mac, similar for app to Linux. Now what you want to do is go into your terminal, paste this command to install Homebrew. It's going to ask you for your password. Now if you're going to type anything at all on your keyboard, it's not going to show up. When you hit enter, it's going to say sorry, that's not your password. What you want to do is put in your Mac password and hit enter. You'll be prompted to abort or hit enter to continue. So we're going to continue over here. It's going to do its thing and download and install Homebrew for us. So once that's downloaded, we're going to go ahead and install platform tools, which will allow us to get ADB. Now, I want you to put this command in, brew install Android platform tools, and it should install. Now, oh, it says it already has it, so I have installed it before. Now, if it does say something like ZSH error, it does not recognize what brew is, put in this command over here, which changes the path, and you should be able to do it again. Now that we have that done, what you want to do is do ADB devices. Obviously right now I have no device, so let me just grab a device real quick. Now I got my device. It had no devices at first, and now if we do ADB devices again, you can see that my device is connected. The second method gives you more control just by manually downloading platform tools. It's not only lightweight, but it's perfect if you're just trying to do ADB and fast boot. So let's go into your terminal. We're gonna remove any previous installation that might have been there. Perfect. Then we're gonna go to Google. We're gonna go to developerandroid.com, tools releases platform tools, link will be in the description. Hit downloads and hit download SDK platform tools for Mac. Go through the terms and condition and you download it. Now once you downloaded it, move it to somewhere where you find your folder, unzip it, you should get a folder called platform tools. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna move to that folder, put in documents called temp. Now we're in the temp folder, the temp directory. I would make a new directory, call it Android SDK Mac OS X. Then move that platform tools to that folder. Oops. Platform tools. Alright. Then what you're gonna do after that, it's gonna paste this. This basically lets you add a path so you can use ADB anywhere. Then you would refresh your PowerShell and test your ADB. There we go. There you have it. 2 ways of setting up ADB on your Mac without Android Studios. If you have any questions, feel free to put it in the comment sections down below. And if you're looking for any other topics for us to walk through, just let us know. Thanks for watching.